It is encouraging that we can detect an improvement in people that do consume nuts, other energy dense snacks, that you do see this improvement, and it would be even better. I'd really like to see that diet quality back to the population, but I do think, we've got to think about the burden of how we capture that. In my perfect dream world, it will be every nut, but I'm not going to try and push my luck too much. Thank you very much.
Than recorded by the shades, because they only take one or sometimes two 34-hour time.
Whether they were high adherence or low adherence, whether the nut difference was kind of the driver of that difference. Yeah.
No, but I think in general we have a problem with the specificity of this marker.
Yeah, all right.
I completely agree. And as I said, in my perfect dream world, we would have every nut identified, and to get people to think about those hidden places, because we know they don't think about ingredients. They don't. Their brain goes, "Oh yeah, I ate nuts today." So yeah, we know. Yeah. All right.
More questions? No. So I didn't understood how you will spend the money, but you can
I've got
explain it
ways.
better
Don't worry.
after 5 minutes before, better, because we have 30 minutes, and for the next, after the lunch we have a session with. The breakfast is.
All right, good.
But then you're not going to get the fat. That might be helping the postprandial effect. So do we want people to chew more? So
the question is, should we have them every day?